Hello everyone and welcome back to Aviation A to Z. Today we will share all the information about getting aircraft mechanic apprentice jobs in foreign country and how you can actually earn around 2,50,000 Indian rupees or $20 per hour. So watch this video till end and subscribe to stay updated about such job and apprenticeship vacancy. So let's get started. The company providing this golden opportunity is Global Aerospace Corporation. So let's see some background about this wonderful organization. They are established in 1993 and providing over 25 years of service to aviation industry. GAC is a leading Canadian provider of landing gear, air cycle machine, pneumatic and hydraulic aircraft component, MRO including load and exchange service for commercial and regional aircrafts. GAC carry out aircraft component maintenance through Transport Canada, that is TCCA, and EASA approved repair station certificates. They are located at Toronto Pearson International Airport in Mississauga, Ontario, Canada, one of the hubs for aerospace industry. They primarily work on aircrafts manufactured by Bombardier, Boeing, Airbus, ATR, Lockheed, and BAC commercial aircrafts. The engineering support to various organizations is provided by sister company GEC, that is Global Engineering Corporation, which was established in 2004, which provides parts and repairs facility through in-house engineering, design, and manufacturing capabilities. The GAC has officially issued this vacancy, which states that they are hiring mechanic apprentice, that is aircraft component technician. So let's see in depth about it. Let's see what will be the role or profile of the work. The role is to assist senior technician in repair tasks, read and interpret and follow CRM and other maintenance manuals, measure parts for wear using precision measuring instrument which includes vernier caliper, micrometer, etc., record maintenance tasks as per work orders, and other such maintenance and shop related tasks. Very interesting and daily learning work. Now let's see what you will receive here. First, a starting salary ranging from $18 to $20 per hour, which is around 1,400 rupees per hour and approximately 2,50,000 if we consider 22 working days. So the experience will be counted as paid one. Other health related benefits and long-term disability and life insurance. That is, if you got injured during work, then you will get some financial support by GAC. Also, you might get permanent job there. Now here's the most important thing. What are the qualification requirements? A passion for fixing things means a maintenance oriented mindset. Second, proven hands-on mechanical ability. That is, they want guy from mechanical stream. Then mechanical work experience. Yes, some previous work experience. Luckily no mention of how much experience, so if you are fresher then also try to apply. Some other basic requirements such as able to read, write and speak English and some technical training. The great thing about this post is the pay is satisfactory and there is no mention of any authority approved person. That is, anyone from FAA, TCCA, EASA and even DGCA can apply here. And that's why I decided to share this informative video with all of you guys. Now, how to apply for this great career opportunity? To apply for it, submit your resume to email mentioned here on jayesh@globalaerospace.com. Also, you can personally drop off your resume if you are a resident of Canada by following address on your screen. If you are fresher, then also try to apply as it's wonderful and career boosting opportunity in foreign country. Considering post COVID-19 situation, such vacancies are very rare. So don't miss it guys, apply now. Ideally, I think those who are already technician in Asian countries, for them this is the best opportunity. So try your luck here. For further information, visit their official site globalaerospace.com. That was all for today. I hope you found this video helpful and worth. Then please like it, share it with everyone and subscribe now. Finally, thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, stay safe.